My name's Oliver Keats and today I'm going to show you how to operate a hydraulic breaker on a JCB backhoe loader. Having attached the hydraulic breaker to the excavator end using the JCB hydraulic quick hitch, we now need to connect the hoses onto the auxiliary pipework of the machine using the easy push fit connections. Inside the cab, we need to energise the breaker circuit by pressing the switch on the side console. Switch the machine to either low or high flow. This breaker is a low flow. Set the correct RPM to give the required flow to the breaker and the excavator end. This can be found in the operator's manual. Position the breaker over the object that needs to be broken, ensuring the breaker tool is vertical to the surface being broken. To operate the breaker, use your left foot, push the floor button and the breaker will begin to fire. Once the material is broken, remove the foot from the floor button and reposition the breaker. And that's how you use a hydraulic breaker on a JCB backhoe loader.